Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to upload supporting documents for your loan application on, of course, Lendingclub. Now, when applying for a Lendingclub loan, you may be asked to provide additional documents to verify your identity, your income, or employment. This steps helps Lendingclubs to confirm your eligibility and process your loan faster. If documents are required, you're going to receive a notification in your Lendingclub account dashboard or by email. Commonly requested items include a government-issued identification card, recent pay stubs, tax forms, or bank statements. To upload, simply log into your Lendingclub account, go to your application status page, and then select Upload Documents. Choose the file from your device, and then submit it directly through the secured portal. Make sure that your file is clear in accepted formats like PDF or JPEG, and then under the size limits listed on the page. Once uploaded, Lendingclub will review your documents, usually within a few business days, and you're going to receive updates by email or directly in the app if further action is required. Submit accurate documents because this can help you to avoid delays and, of course, to move your loan towards approval and make the process more smooth. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.